What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my tutorial, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set up a custom ticket form in Zendesk to streamline technical support requests. So we will be choosing technical support requests for the sake of this tutorial. So first of all, we will go to the admin center, we will click on objects and rules, we will click on ticket forms. We will go ahead and select add form. For this tutorial, we are going to select technical support request. We will go ahead and click the following fields and we will click on save. And there we have it, guys. Our new form has been added. You can then go ahead and test the ticket. Let's say you can open your web widget, you can go on the form and just fill in some test data. You can choose issue type and set the priority. You add the fields in. And this is it, guys. Please make sure you give this a thumbs up, click subscribe, and please make sure to comment down below if there is any specific task you would like me to show you in Zendesk. I'll see you in the next one.